Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you another Valentine project, but these are more like just embellishments. Going back, I feel like I'm going back to what I used to show a lot on my YouTube channel, was a lot of handmade embellishments. And I also went a little bit old school by using my punches. I feel like I don't use these anymore, and I'm trying to use what I have, you guys, because I have a lot of stuff and I just feel like I don't get to use them. So the punches that I use are from Stampin' Up. I used to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator back in the day. So this is the postage stamp. This is the 1-inch square. I also used the hearts, and I think I used the bigger one and the smaller one, but I ended up using all three of them. I'll show you the other sets. Then I also used this one. It's going to be for the insert of the envelope. And then the dies, I actually don't have the original packaging. I think I probably lost it, but it is this die set right here. This one. And these are from Hobby Lobby. And you can see that the words are pretty small, and this was like a pain in the butt having to die cut all of these. But I really liked how they looked, and also I did cut them out twice, so each one is cut out twice because I wanted them to be a little bit sturdier. So that's what those are looking like, and here are a few more. Because I used my punches, a paper punch goes so much faster than using your dies. So if it weren't for the word dies, I probably could have made a lot more, but it's okay. I don't need that many. I still need to package these up, and I'll show you that in a later video. So those are my postage stamps. Super cute. If you watched my last video about the cards I made, I'm trying to use that same color combination. Okay, now the other sets of embellishments that I made, let me just push these to the side really quick. And this is a die from Alina Cuddle or Alina Craft. That's what I did. And here are the envelopes. Oh my gosh, I think they're so cute, you guys. And you can see that the hearts are the same. Now the gold stickers are from Dollar Tree, and they are these right here. And what else? And that's the insert that I told you. Which I used that. I was just too lazy to cut it out by hand, so just used a punch. Went by faster. And the stamp, some of them are handwritten and some of them is using this die set this stamp set from CC Designs. And here are more envelopes, and I think they came out so cute. It went by super fast, and you can tell, simple. I really love the way they came out. They're so cute, you guys. Easy to add on any project. And now the last set of embellishments are shakers. And I didn't make that many because, shakers can be a bit time consuming. Now this die set right here, well, it's not a die set. Well, it does come in a pair. I don't have the original packaging, but this is what they normally look like. This is how they come. And so here is the clock that I used to make these small embellishments. And I did share with you in my last video how I used, I did share in my last video how I used it on a card. You can see it right there. And you do, when you're using these, you do need to have this base to run it through your machine. So here are a few more. And again, I used that same word die set. And I think that's why it took forever. This was the very first one I made, but I used that really thin foam. So my shaker pieces are not moving even though I added very little. And then the bows are a combination from my stash. These are from Hobby Lobby. This is from downtown LA. And the ones with the little pearls in the center are from Walmart. And oh my gosh, and the shaker pieces are the same as the cards. They are a combination of sprinkles and clay pieces and sequins. So here are my handmade embellishments. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye everyone.